Hey folks, I'm Madison from Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. Thank you for stopping by this channel, Mr. Travelux. Today, I'm excited to share with you some awesome facts and also some raw footage of this amazing suite at Sandals Grande Antigua. This suite we're looking at today is the Mediterranean Club Level Suite, which is the VS category. First, I would love to invite you to have a look in that description below where there is an awesome interactive digital brochure of this resort. There you'll also find so much other information about how to get in touch with me personally, where and how to find the best deal, how to compare resorts and rooms, and so much more. Whether you would like me to hold this room for you for free, yes, I can actually do that, or anything else, please get in touch and it would be my true pleasure. A couple of quick facts before we look at the unedited footage of this suite. In terms of location in the resort, this VS suite is going to be featured in the Almond and Cypress Tower buildings, and you'll find it there on the first 3 levels. These will feature either a patio if you're on the first level, on the second and third levels will feature a balcony. If you do opt to use my complimentary concierge services, I can of course put a request directly into resort management based off of what kind of elevation you want to stay at, whether you prefer to be on the first floor or whether you prefer to have a little bit of a higher view. In this suite, you're gonna have a sizable whirlpool tub and also a walk-in rain shower. Of course, the club part of this room name does mean it is a Club Sandals room, and you will have unlimited access to the Club Sandals lounge and the dedicated concierge services and amenities there for you. And now it's almost time to jump into this unedited look together. Hey there, I hope you enjoyed this room tour, and I would love to hear your comments, thoughts, and questions in the comment section below. Of course, you can also get in touch with me personally using the contact details you'll find in that description. Whether you're thinking to take on a new booking at a Sandals or Beaches Resort, or whether you do have an existing reservation you made direct in the last 14 days and would love to hear about what value I can add to your booking, make sure to get in touch. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe. It's been so great having you here today. I hope to see you in my next videos.